How to stop addiction to drugs. Drug abuse can cause changes in the brain, resulting in powerful cravings and a compulsion to use, causing sobriety to appear impossible to reach. However, no matter how hopeless your situation appears or how many times you've tried and failed before, recovery is never out of reach. If you are addicted to drugs, change is always possible with the right treatment and support. Recognize your problem. It all begins with a desire to abstain from drug use. Acknowledge that you have a problem and that you need support. Control your drug cravings and triggers. Drug cravings can be intense during this rebuilding process. You can help your recovery by avoiding people, places, and situations that make you want to use. You need to step away from your friends who use. You need to avoid bars and clubs. As much as possible, get involved in a distracting activity. Participate in a drug addiction treatment program. You do not have to battle drug addiction alone. Professional assistance is available to ensure your complete and long-term recovery. Learning how to manage your life is important for staying drug-free. It's never too late to quit using drugs. Call your therapist, attend a meeting, or make an appointment with your doctor. You can stop being addicted to drugs, and sobriety is always possible. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.